In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to add a battery widget to the home screen of your iPhone. Having a battery widget on your home screen can help you keep track of your device's battery life at a glance. To get started, tap and hold the home screen of your iPhone. After that, tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. Now you'll see a list of all the available widgets on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see an option called Batteries. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see 3 different battery widgets. Just find the one you like. And then simply tap on the Add Widget button to add this battery widget to the home screen. You can move this widget to anywhere on the home screen. Once you are happy with everything, tap Done at the top right to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.